Good morning, guys. Yes, as promised, bike ride in the morning, and it's windy as it. But I'll do my typical route. The road is damaged like shit. So yeah, I hope that by the time I get back, the video from yesterday will be uploaded. Do you even hear me? I hope you do. Yay, animal sounds. So yeah, I haven't stopped since I started. I went through that hill that is the one I hate without a problem today, but look at the sky. You see the clouds? I don't like those clouds. And I got a feeling that it's raining over there behind that hill, but I'm not sure. And I gotta go the quick run home if I don't want to get wet. So yeah, it is gonna rain today. Come on, just look at it. Those are rainy clouds, right? So yeah, no more filming, only driving, I think. So do you have an area where you can cycle where you live? I would love to know. When I'm gonna win jackpot one day on the lottery, like say 10 million. I'm very modest. 10 million will do. I'm gonna travel the world. I'm gonna see everything I want to see. So where are the places you want to go? What would you do if you would want 10 million dollars or euros? Huh? Can you tell me that? Do you have any wishes where to go? I want to travel the world. That's my wish. And I want to buy a new car. That's the second one. So yeah, write in the comments down below your wishes. I want to read them. Back home, and apparently in the northern parts of Slovenia it's already raining. So I suspected in a couple of hours the rain will be here. And that means no tanning at all in the afternoon. So I'm going out to enjoy the sun now till lunch, and then we'll see how it's gonna be in the afternoon. So yeah, this route that I'm taking for the next couple of, let's say for the next month, it's probably gonna be the same. And when it won't be a challenge anymore, the hill, when that won't be a challenge, I'm gonna take a different one, a bit longer one with a different kind of hill, if you can call it like that. It's just the road with a slight angle, and that angle is never ending. It's the killer part of the second route. From the point of view, I think you can guess what I'm doing. And that is cooking lunch. And for today's lunch, we're gonna have something simple, something that's very easy to do, at least for me. And that is chicken soup. Lots and lots of veggies. See, all this is gonna be in the soup. And so yeah, I can't go outside. Nope. You know the clouds I was showing you while I was on a bike ride? Well, they're even bigger and even darker. So I think that in a couple of hours we're really gonna have a massive, massive rain. But thankfully I have the books, I have my computer, so I won't be bored. And I've got you! I just realized that rain is not an excuse for not eating an ice cream. That's why I went in the freezer and I found the last ice cream that we had. So yeah, I gotta make a list of things I'm gonna buy tomorrow so I can make muffins. And I've decided I'm gonna make drunk bears as well. It's very simple. You buy Haribo gummy bears and you pour vodka on top of them. And not too much vodka, of course, just that they're barely covered in it. And then you leave it for at least 12 hours in a fridge. You have to stir a couple of times, of course. And you have drunk gummy bears. It's the perfect thing for party. Except for my aunt. She doesn't want to eat them anymore. Well, let's just say that there were a couple too many of them. We warned her that they are drunk, but she didn't listen. So, yeah. I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream now. And I'm gonna watch episode 10 of iZombie. I can't wait. And then I'll think of something what to do. I still have to do workout of the day today. I still haven't. But I will. A bit later. After I finish ice cream. And watching iZombie. So yeah. We'll see you then. Right? Well, on today's boring day, even the workout is boring. Like, super boring. I have rest in plank, rest in squats, 25 push-ups, 2.5 plank, and rest in crunches. Seriously. Even the workout is like the day I'm having boring. Like, super boring. So yeah. I'm gonna do my workout. Then I'm gonna go and watch TV. I'm gonna join my mom. I'm gonna spend some time with her. And then, who knows what am I gonna do? Probably watch another movie. I've watched Divergent yesterday, part 1. I'm so frustrated because my sister doesn't have part 2 on the DVD. But I have to wait for her to get it. Usually she is the one that is buying movies on DVDs because her boyfriend is filmaholic like I am. So yeah, whatever I had I already lended to him, so, and the films he had I already watched all of them. Now I'm hunting for the new stuff. Okay, let's work out. Let's be even more healthy today as I was. And I'm hearing the rain outside. It's gonna be a good workout. Well guys, I'm gonna end today's video. But before I go to sleep, I went on my online bookstore where I bought the Divergent series and 5 out of 6 books of Mortal Instruments, and I found out that the book number 6 of Mortal Instruments is here. It's possible to be bought. So yeah, I'm not gonna order it by mail. I'm gonna buy it actually in Friday, because it's not only online bookstore, they even have a couple of stores around Slovenia, and I'm getting the 6th book. Yes, yes, yes. But there is another trilogy that I want, and it is the Maze Runner trilogy. So yeah, wish me luck that they will have all 3 books as well. I know I'm just buying books and I have no place to put them in this room, but can't help it. So yeah, question of the day is, what's the craziest thing you've done for love? What's the craziest thing I've done for love? It's a long time since I was in love, if you can call it like that. Frankly, I don't remember. Nope. No memory. Blank. What's the craziest thing you've done for love recently? Write in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Good night.